What are the main characteristics between iron, aluminum, and copper oxides against corrosion? Iron, aluminum, and copper oxides differ significantly in their behavior against corrosion in terms of porosity, oxide adhesion, chemical reactivity, and rate of deterioration. Iron oxide is highly porous and poorly adherent, allowing moisture and oxygen to continue penetrating the material, thereby accelerating its deterioration steadily. In contrast, aluminum oxide is compact and highly adherent, forming a passive layer that effectively protects the underlying metal. However, its stability can be compromised in extremely acidic or alkaline environments. On the other hand, copper oxide, or its patina, is dense, adherent, and non-porous, making it a highly efficient protective layer. Furthermore, its low chemical reactivity significantly reduces the rate of deterioration, although its resistance may diminish in the presence of compounds such as hydrogen sulfide. These characteristics make aluminum and copper oxide naturally more effective at protecting their respective metals from corrosion than iron oxide. This is Coatings. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.